The Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, working towards the Sustainable Development Goal and towards the achievement of food security in member countries, sought assistance from the International Atomic Energy Agency in dealing with issues relating to agriculture and livestock. The IAEA is an international organization which seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy while hindering its use for military purpose, including nuclear weapons. During a recent fact-finding mission to the Eastern Caribbean, the agency visited the OECS Commission in St. Lucia, during which a virtual meeting with key stakeholders of member countries was held.
What the IAEA has also recognized, given the mandate, although the request came from agriculture to look at agriculture, health and food safety and the concomitant issues, they also do a lot of work in terms of environmental health and energy. And what they've done is to reach out, what they're doing also within this week is to reach out to the key stakeholders in those other sectors to see how that they can support the positive use of nuclear energy to encourage greater sustainable development within the OECS.
The International Atomic Energy Agency is collaborating closely with the Food and Agriculture Organization, the FAO, in assisting member countries in areas relating to food and agriculture. Although it was established independently of the United Nations through its own international treaty, the agency reports to both the United Nations General Assembly and the United Nations Security Council. During the visit to St. Lucia, the team was accompanied by a representative from the Food and Agriculture Organization, the FAO, as well as an official from the OECS.
The objective of this visit is to respond upon a request made by OECS member states in getting advice, guidelines and support to strengthen their capacity in the food and agricultural sectors. We have spent 2 days in St. Lucia discussing with the OECS and other St. Lucia stakeholders. We visited the laboratory facilities and we discussed upon the priorities and needs in order to strengthen the laboratory. That's my area of expertise, the laboratory capacities of the OECS member states.
A multi-sectoral approach to identify a technical cooperation package for the OECS has begun. While much emphasis was placed on agriculture and livestock, the mission also discussed other issues relating to agricultural health and food safety, education and environmental health, as well as regulatory issues. The mission also wishes to collaborate with other stakeholders on ongoing projects and programs within the OECS that are working towards similar objectives. From the Agriculture Information Unit, I am Hinkson Butcher.